Welcome back, welcome back. Another epic adventure. So, I'll show everybody what I'm going today. So what is style now? Some chicken we seasoned up already. We have fished them from the other day where we said we're going to cook and stuff and we never get to do them. We have an next chicken here. So, chicken and fish today. Hopefully, we can roast the fish them and fry some chicken, and this one now we can probably brown stew it to get some sauce or gravy. So, see, place active. Well, not fully active, but active. See Tanisha over there, so Kelani and RJ with a throw blow. Doing way over in the corner, say I try to get some fish. Say I throw a line. Yeah. So that's the vibes today, so just stay tuned. So this is all like alcohol today. Now go hard on the alcohol again like before. Cool pot over here, so. I throw mine down there. Right the other day, I cool it down right down there, so. Throw it down there if you cool down. All now I can't find it back. So I just have to work with that one I have to know. Man, I enjoy the water. Water nice still. Although the day kind of overcast. Hi! See RJ there? We don't get no fish.
No fish at all.
Nah man, we are check one different spot later. Yeah man, different spot. Which one of them? Oh, the stove over there? Oh my. So we not use no coal today, you know. Big belly boy. That big belly boy we are gonna use chop some fire stick. Amazon fire stick. Yeah? See some better fire stick over the other side of the river, so walk over the ferry. Yeah man, no fish in the river, so. Watch your style now, find firewood. Then they must go crack. Where are they? Yeah, leave up the brother and party water, brother. Eh? No man, we use a different one and burn it. Burn first and then put them out and eat. Kill on the float a leak. Soon come fix it for you, baby. Soon come fix it here. RJ, looking at your car if you see duct tape. You have to take it out and make it dry before you can tape it, you know. Don't cross the Red Sea. What? Take care. Yo. You still alive, see me? Man. Want to go in the water? Yeah. They love water. Soon get to go in the water. Here. My hands straight. Tough, you know? Never tie it out to come out. Tough, man. Tough bad too. Let me tie out the thing out. Man, we meet some other YouTuber while ago here. Smith Family Adventure. Smith Family TV. Ah, we see them in a boat. We just see them across the river while ago. So you can look up for them too. You can look up for them and
give them a support.
The man is nice too. Yeah, welcome in though. So I like people stay. So big up yourself, Smith Family. We'll go and do our thing now.
Season up the chicken, we have some Maggi and we have some all-purpose seasoning.
How do you say, man? So what's Smith family down on that side? The them thing.
Alright. So babe, if you're ready.
Yo, me's a food man not do yet.
You can't
Watch it, I'll leave on fire already, ready for your fried chicken. I think we are going to do some roast fish, you know. So the grill here for the roast fish. Yeah, that light up to you know. Rice I go up on this.
Make sure go under the skin.
Tanisha go on the chicken.
And a hot there.
Yeah. Can't wait to see that chicken now, watch him. Like even KFC no bad so. What's it doing?
Oh God, man, I win, man. I win, what we say, I want to win, man.
Ah, yeah, man.
I want.
Live and living. Yeah, chicken start fry up and stuff now. I cover the pot. Let it go and simmer. That's it. Yeah, man. The fatty down there in the water. Every time we come here, you see fatty, you know. Don't worry about fatty can swim. I'm going to tell her later so if you jump off. Hey, she can swim, you know? She jump off anyway, so. Only up there, so I never see she jump off here. But anyway, that's so. She no jump off at the top. The top part here, so. Up when me jump off from? No, man.
I don't think she jump off.
She not jump off here, so. But anyway you think of. Yeah, man. You fried chicken, yeah? Man. Kentucky fried chicken style. She doing over there, so I chop up the fire stick to it. I prep up that over there, so. What is that doing?
Pick up on yourself, you know.
Ah.
Yeah, for the thing, you know.
Fire stick you chop up.
Fire stick, you know.
Alright. When you say so, you're not enjoying yourself? Ah. Yeah, right that. Some of the chicken done for already. What's that, RJ? You enjoy yourself? Yeah. Kilani start for your piece of chicken already, you know. Kilani the tester. Tanisha the chef. Ah. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Her baby smile very pretty. Some pot brown chicken. The pot we use on brown. Brown chicken. Oh, there. Hey, no see I go run over here. Watch it, man. Uno run over here, man. She's cut up and ready to add to the brown stew. Easy. Lot of garlic, man. Whole heap of garlic. Half a pepper. 4 pound shelly rice. 4 pound rice. Time to cover cause me hope you're in a fast.
Alright guys, we are stir fry our season to add to our fish because we're going to roast some fish on the grill.
We just work with it. So this we are putting in the fish in. Pumpkin and carrot and some onion, scallion, thyme, everything. So I just have to stuff the fish. Yeah? So just watch and see. Now put the rice. Man say RJ there eating food. Watch it. Drunk in it. This is the win. Tamisha won't go. Hey, man, no shirt, you know.
Sorry. Sorry.
Tanisha says she wants to say the food tastes good. What is? How your food tastes, RJ? My food here? Healthy. What's that?
Oh.
There, get the fish down. Steam, you know. Fish on the grill.
See fish them from last week here. Ready to go and bubble up. You look so. What? Where is it? I'm gonna pin them up on trailer. That's the end of another epic adventure. Met some great people. Yeah, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, yes. Can I show you Chuck? Yeah man, we met some great people and had some great food. Had an excellent time, so see you on the next adventure. Say bye, Kelani. Say bye.